Today we are going to discuss about difference of square. First of all, we will identify what is difference of square. The basic definition of this would be x squared minus y squared is equal to x minus y and x plus y. So this is the basic definition. So now we will try to play with this definition. So typically we have questions like this: x squared minus 1. So we should be able to write this x squared minus 1 squared, and that would be x minus 1 and x plus 1. Again, if you have x squared minus 4, then what we have to do, it would be x squared minus 2 to the power 2. So this can be written as x minus 2 x plus 2. Now we will try to understand more advanced examples. If you have 4x squared minus 1, so this can be written as 2x squared minus 1 squared, and this can be written as 2x minus 1 and 2x plus 1. Then we can think of something like this: 16x squared y squared minus 9. Now we follow the same structure, which is 4xy square minus 3 squared, and that can be written as 4xy minus 3 and 4xy plus 3. Now let's talk about a question like this. So if you have x squared minus 5, so in this case 5 you can't make as a whole square, so what you have to do is x squared minus square root 5 to the power 2. So you make it like that. So x minus square root 5 and then x plus square root of 5. Now we will talk about more advanced stuff on this lesson now. So if we have 5x squared y minus 4, something like that, and then we have to use the difference of square. So first of all, we have to use the structure, which is this, and minus 2 squared. Now here what we can do, square root 5, so I will put square root y here, x minus 2 and square root 5 square root y x plus 2. So if you want, you can combine these together, which is 5y square root of x is outside, minus 2, and then here square root 5 y x plus 2. So we have to be careful in that case. Now another example with a power more than 2. Suppose you have x squared minus 1 and x squared plus 1. So in this case you can write this one as x to the power 4 minus 1. So similarly, if you have something like 4x to the power 4 minus 9, so this can be written as 2x to the power 2, the whole thing squared, minus 3 to the power 2. So this can be written as 2x to the power 2 minus 3, and then 2x to the power 2 plus 3. That would be the answer. So likewise, we can do many things here, and this is what I wanted to show you today. And if you use this basic rule, so I hope you can use difference of square